Here's a comprehensive drug profile for imipramine. 1. Generic name, drug class, drug forms, brand name. Generic name imipramine, drug class, tricyclic antidepressant TCA. Drug forms, oral tablets, 10 milligrams, 25 milligrams, 50 milligrams. Oral capsules, long-acting, 75 milligrams, 100 milligrams, 25 milligrams, 150 milligrams. Brand names, Tofranil, Tofranil PM for the long-acting form. 2. Definition. Imipramine is a tricyclic antidepressant used to treat depression and sometimes in nurses, bedwetting in children. It works by restoring the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, improving mood and emotional state. 3. Mechanism of action. Imipramine inhibits the reuptake of norepinephrine and serotonin at presynaptic nerve endings, increasing their concentration in the synaptic cleft. It also has anticholinergic and sedative properties due to its affinity for histamine and muscarinic receptors. Indication: major depressive disorder, MDD, nocturnal enuresis in children, usually over 6 years of age, off-label uses, chronic pain, panic disorder, ADHD, neuropathic pain. 5. Contraindications: hypersensitivity to imipramine or other TCAs, concurrent use with MAO inhibitors, or within 14 days of stopping them, recent myocardial infarction, MI, glaucoma, especially angle closure, urinary retention. 6. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Tell your doctor if you have heart disease or history of stroke, bipolar disorder or manic episodes, seizure disorders, liver or kidney disease, urinary problems or enlarged prostate, overactive thyroid, glaucoma, taking other CNS depressants, MAOIs, or serotonergic drugs, pregnancy or breastfeeding, use with caution. How to use. Take exactly as prescribed by your doctor, usually taken 1 to 3 times daily, with or without food. For enuresis, it's often taken 1 hour before bedtime. Do not suddenly stop taking the drug without doctor's advice. 8. Dosing information. For depression adults, initial 75 milligrams per day in divided doses can be increased gradually. Maintenance 50 to 150 milligrams per day, maximum 300 milligrams per day in hospital settings. For nocturnal enuresis children, ages 6 to 8 years, 25 milligrams at bedtime. Ages 9 to 12 years, 25 to 50 milligrams at bedtime. Over 12 years, up to 75 milligrams at bedtime. 9. Misdose and overdose. Misdose. Take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for the next dose, skip the misdose. Do not double dose. Overdose symptoms: extreme drowsiness, irregular heartbeat, seizures, hallucinations, coma, can be fatal. Seek emergency medical help immediately. 10. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop suddenly without consulting a doctor. May cause withdrawal symptoms. Avoid use with MAO inhibitors, alcohol, other sedatives, or CNS depressants. Stop if you experience severe side effects like seizures, confusion, suicidal thoughts, or signs of serotonin syndrome. Side effects in detail: common, drowsiness, dry mouth, constipation, blurred vision, weight gain, dizziness, increased appetite, trouble urinating. Serious, seizures, arrhythmias, suicidal thoughts, especially in young adults, hypotension, hepatotoxicity, serotonin syndrome, rare, confusion or hallucinations, especially in elderly. 12. Vital information. Takes 2 to 4 weeks to show full effect. Regular monitoring of cardiac function and mental status may be needed. May cause photosensitivity. Use sunscreen. Risk of suicidality in young people? Monitor closely. Not recommended for long-term use in enuresis beyond 3 months. 13. Other drugs will affect: MAO inhibitors, risk of fatal interaction; SSRIs, SNRIs, risk of serotonin syndrome; CNS depressants, increased sedation; anticholinergics, enhanced effects; cimetidine, increases TCA levels; antihypertensives, may reduce their efficacy; thyroid hormones, can increase TCA toxicity; alcohol, increases CNS depression. Thank you. Have a nice day.